Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to move away from the hustle of traditional real estate and into a high cash flowing management module. Listen, we're talking about the corporate housing blueprint. Most people just think real estate is about buying and selling. I'm here to show you that the real wealth is in the management and positioning of that asset. So, in this demo breakdown, I'm going to educate you on how getting started as a co hosting specialist is very possible as long as you pay attention to what I have to say. Let's begin. My name is Patrick Lee, and I want to share a little bit about myself in 5 minutes to give you a snapshot on my experience and how this could work for you. Look, STR, MTR, and LTR is becoming a favorite thing amongst elite investors who can show and prove the process does work. The difference between them and you is confidence. And hopefully, by the end of this, I'll provide enough motivation that confidence is going to be the main focus to making passive income as a co-host for property owners a reality. Today, I'm offering you the exact corporate housing outline that is allowing STR properties to become a part of everyone who's interested in investing in this space. As right now, you're getting an exclusive demo that will help you start with everything you need. We're going to cover everything you need to make it possible and make it make sense. And this means arbitrage and co hosting options, finding leads and where to look, contracts and agreements, market analysis tools to help figure if the market you choose makes money, and finally, managing your listings and daily operations. So, why are we focusing on this right now? Because the market has shifted. We use what I call the trifecta: short term, mid-term, and long term rentals. Short term, this is your high margin vacation play for maximum cash flow. This offers the highest income potential by leveraging nightly premiums and dynamic pricing, making them ideal for high traffic vacation markets. Midterm, this is the sweet spot. We're talking 30 to 90-day stays for traveling nurses and corporate relocations. It's a lower turnover than Airbnb, but higher profit than a standard lease. This serves as a sweet spot only because providing elevated monthly rates from corporate or medical professionals with significantly less turnover and lower management intensity than Airbnbs. Long term rentals. This is our stability. It's the floor that ensures our overhead is always covered. When you master all three, you just ain't a host, you're a diversified housing provider. This acts as the portfolio's foundation, offering maximum stability, consistent cash flow, and passive management through multi year tenants. All right, listen. Our mission is simple. We are the bridge. On one side, you have property owners who are exhausted by professional tenants and a headache for self management, right? And then on the other side, you have high quality corporate tenants, companies like Google insurance firms, hospitals who need premium housing for their staff, right? My training session teaches you how to stand in the middle of that gap, solve the owner's problem, and collect the management fee for doing it. Finding the leads and where to look. You can find some of the basic ways to attract leads or contact property owners, but I want to help you maximize that outreach by creating a bona fide solution that can be automated. Expired listings. This solves the days on market pain for motivated sellers, but requires speaking with a real estate agent. Vacant high end properties, right? These are homes that provide immediate cash flow for owners with high carrying costs. And then other investors. This is to scale quickly through partnerships that trade their equity for our specialized management expertise. Look, stay until the end of this demo, and I'll show you how to unlock that PDF version of multiple ways to get lead. The ultimate goal of this training isn't just to help you find a deal. We want to stop the cycle of searching and start the process of building. By the end of our time together, you won't just have a list of leads, you'll have the framework to build a managed portfolio. This is about scalability. You're about building a business where the properties work for you rather than you working for the properties. Let's dive into how we actually find the leads, right? Contracts and agreements. Contracts and agreements are the legal backbone of your business, transforming a handshake deal into a protected partnership by clearly defining responsibilities, liability, and profit splits. They provide the professional security property owners need to trust you with their asset while ensuring you have the guaranteed right to operate and collect fees without interference. Look, stay until the end of this demo and I'll show you how you can gain access to our very own corporate housing lease agreement. Automation is how you reclaim your time. We've set up our own AI powered virtual receptionist and automated guest messaging so the business runs while you sleep. But technology needs human backup. We'll cover how to coordinate your boots on the ground teams for turnovers and, most importantly, my guest vetting process. We ensure only high standard corporate clients enter your doors, protecting the property and your reputation. All these tools combined create a high performance ecosystem that removes the guesswork from your business. allowing you to identify profitable gaps with AirDNA, automate your revenue growth with price labs, and scale luxury portfolios with zero upfront capital via court. By integrating data driven analysis with proven grade staging, you transform from a single, simple host into a sophisticated housing provider capable of securing high end corporate contracts and hitting consistent ROI goals in any market. AirDNA. This tool is vital for providing a market health checkup to validate potential income and to assure a property is a high return on investment opportunity before you sign a contract. Price labs. We use this to automate dynamic pricing, ensuring your rates adjust in real time to capture maximum profit during peak demand and maintain occupancy during slow seasons. And then finally, Court Furniture Store. This is our no capital scaling secret that allows you to professionally stage luxury units with zero upfront furniture costs, instantly attracting high paying corporate clients. And personally, I vetted them myself. And having a furniture partner who has all the trucks, teams, and budget to bring you discounted options is a plus when getting started. In comparison, this means the difference between bringing 15K to 20K up front to pay for furniture versus having just the money for a monthly subscription, and they handle everything from delivery setup to you within 24 to 48 hours after signing your contract. It's going to be all about managing listings and operations. Managing listings and operations is the engine of your business, ensuring that your properties remain profitable, protected, and highly rated without requiring your constant physical presence, right? It's critical because professional automation from guest communication to dynamic scheduling creates a consistent five-star experience that attracts premium corporate clients and ensures the long-term trust of property owners. By mastering these operations, you transition from a manual hustle to a scalable system where high standard guest vetting and coordinated turnover teams maintain the asset's value and your company's reputation. I'm offering you a big promise that others are scared to share. I can help you in more ways than one and excel at being a cold listing expert, as well as help you build and own multiple listings to generate that income you see on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. This is about scalability, asset protection, guest experience, time, and freedom. Stay until the end of this demo, and I'll show you how services that we provide will help you automate the entire process from bookings to cleaning schedules. Look, I get it. There's challenges that come with co hosting. Everyone is terrified of Airbnb bans right now, but here's the secret: the ban is on hotels, not housing. When you stay under 30 days, you're a hotel operator in the eyes of the law. The moment we move to 30 days or more, like the midterm or long term options, we become a professional housing provider. I'm going to show you how to pivot your strategy so that even if you open up an Airbnb and you co host on these properties as a short term rental, no matter what the city council decides tomorrow, your portfolio stays occupied, legal, and profitable. Look, give me 5 more minutes to explain what I have to offer. It's not a scam or a gimmick or trying to steal your information for my own benefit. I'd rather work with you and get you access and be able to pay off my student debts for all that time, loss, and expenses and interest for my own education and training that got me here than to waste your time and mine and then offer nothing in return. I promise you this is a win win situation. All right, this isn't just a course, it's a business in a box. For a one time fee, you get full access to my tech vault, every contact, calculator, and marketing template I use. The real value, implementation. You get weekly meetings with me to troubleshoot your leads and build your portfolio in real time. We work together until your first 3 to 5 properties are live. Spots are limited for this mentorship to ensure everyone gets hands on support. Here's how you secure yours. The STR funnel system is a complete business in a box designed to transform you into a professional corporate housing provider for short term, mid-term, and long term clients, right? For a limited time, I'm offering full access to my proprietary contracts, automation workflows, and specialized tech resources for a one time fee of just $350. This exclusive price is only available to those who have completed this demo. If you are here and you've watched this all the way to the end, you're in luck. This exclusive price is only available to those that have completed this demo, providing a $150 discount from the standard $500 investment. Look, by securing this offer today, you unlock the exact roadmap and tools needed to scale your portfolio without the guesswork or high upfront capital. You'll also gain entry into our weekly implementation meetings where we work together in real time to analyze your leads, secure your first properties, and this is your chance to gain the legal protection, market data, and ongoing mentorship required to build a high revenue brand in the corporate housing space. Multiple lead channels. You'll unlock multiple channels that will bring you leads on autopilot using our inbound system. Access our approved lease agreements, right? This gives you The contract that we use on all of our listings that guarantees that property owners say yes every time. Unlock the exact tools, resources, and automations we use to streamline the management of listings and daily operations like messaging, bookings, cleaning schedules. And then, even for this small little investment, you also get a free STR calculator included so you know how to run your numbers. If you're ready to take advantage of this one time fee opportunity that will allow you to fully automate running a corporate housing company, I need you to take action and read the YouTube description below this video to submit your contact information and earn the $150 discount when we connect instantly. Look, I'm only one person working with a partner, and we want to help as many people as possible who want to truly do Airbnb arbitrage, right? Because we know a couple years it's been canceled out, the laws have changed and all that stuff, but we want to help you do this with your eyes closed. So I'm looking for the next 100 people who I could show the exact roadmap, the blueprint, the way, the layout, whatever you want to call out. It's real, and it starts with filling out the Google Forms request form and submitting your information. I will reach out to you within 24 hours. Why? Because if you fill out the form, that means you want to make some money and you want me to help you do it. I could do that. Let's make it happen. Speak to you soon. Fill out the form right now. Thanks for watching.